Justice Thottathil B Radhakrishnan, born on April 29, 1959 in Kottayam, Kerala, was the son of advocates N. Bhaskaran Nair and K. Parathodu. After his school education and graduation in zoology from the University of Kerala, he obtained his LLB degree from KGF Law College in Kolar Goldfields, Bangalore University. Enrolling as an advocate on December 11, 1983, Justice Radhakrishnan began his practice in Thiruvananthapuram under Advocate P. Radhakrishnan. In 1988, he shifted his practice to the High Court of Kerala as a junior to Senior Advocate P. Sukumaran Nair.
My seniors, late Advocate P. Ramakrishna Pillai at Thiruvananthapuram and late Senior Advocate P. Sukumaran Nair in the Kerala High Court at Ernakulam, chiseled me to deliver this product of their mentoring to the judicial side of the justice delivery system.
His legal acumen was profitably engaged by the Kerala Judicial Academy and the Kerala State Legal Services Authority as a resource person. He was also a member of the Rules Committee of the High Court of Kerala.
In recognition of his deep interest in serving the poorer sections of the society, Justice Radhakrishnan was nominated as member of the National Legal Services Authority.
On October 14, 2004, he was sworn in as a permanent judge of the Kerala High Court. In May 2014, he became a member of the First Green Bench, a division bench of the Kerala High Court constituted for adjudication in environmental matters. He served as acting Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court on 2 occasions, from May 13th to August 1, 2016, and from February 16th to March 18, 2017. Elevated as the Chief Justice of the Chhattisgarh High Court, he served in that capacity from March 18, 2017 to July 6, 2018. On July 7, 2018, he was sworn in as Chief Justice of the High Court of Judicature at Hyderabad for the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Following the bifurcation of the states, he became the first Chief Justice of the High Court for the state of Telangana on January 1, 2019.
I, Justice Thottathil B. Radhakrishnan,
having been appointed
Chief
Justice of the High Court for the state of Telangana,
Chief Justice of the High Court for the state of Telangana,
do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance
to
the Constitution of India,
On April 4, 2019, he was sworn in as Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court, a position he held until his retirement on April 28, 2021. During his tenure as acting Chief Justice and Chief Justice, he served as the Chancellor of the 5 national law universities of the respective states. Justice Radhakrishnan held several leadership roles, including President of the Kerala State Mediation and Consultation Center, President of the Judicial Academies in the respective states, Executive Chairman of the Kerala State Legal Services Authority, and member of the National Legal Services Authority, besides Chairman and Patron of the State Legal Service Authorities.
As a judge, he was a person of amiable disposition. He had a wry sense of humor, which usually put the lawyers in place.
Every working day I go home through a particular route. I have the great misfortune of being told that your car will not stop anywhere. You are like an enclosed caged tiger. You will be carried everywhere where we want you. We will not let you go.
Justice Radhakrishnan entertained public interest litigation, which raised issues of public importance and quite often pulled up the state for failing to discharge its duties.
In almost every judge, I see young little ones standing, waving filled up balloons for sale. If only some of us could go and bathe them, clean them, put them on a hygienically good atmosphere, persuade their parents to give them some sort of support by at least letting them to go to school. This is where I want a system of connectivity to evolve and develop whenever you see a problem in the street, I am ensured that within 10 minutes, help reaches that point.
I am told by the honorable retired judges of this court that His Lordship, while he was rising to the bench, His Lordship is to keep his shoes aside. And His Lordship used to consider this place as a temple of justice.
He has an admirable judicial temperament, which we all have acknowledged. I had the occasion to appear before His Lordship's court on a number of occasions, and all the lawyers were loved to appear before His Lordship's court.
Post-retirement, Justice Radhakrishnan practiced arbitration and offered his expertise in various legal matters at the Supreme Court of India. In May 2022, he was appointed by the Supreme Court to inquire about those responsible for illegal constructions of buildings in Maradha.
He submitted his report, and in that report he was of the view that the builders, Kerala government and local authorities were all liable for the illegal construction in Maradha. On the basis of that report, the Honourable Court took follow-up actions.
In October 2022, he was appointed as the head of an expert panel for the physical verification of eco-sensitive zones near national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, submitting the report in February 2023. He directed clear audits on the impact of mining and quarrying on the environment to prevent mishaps and natural calamities. The surgical strike on land scams, preventive and curative intervention in the instances of pollution, etc., stand out as illuminating instances of environmental consciousness.
അദ്ദേഹം കേരള ഹൈക്കോടതിയിൽ ജഡ്ജിയായിരിക്കെ അദ്ദേഹം വീടിന് മുന്നിലെ ഓട വൃത്തിയാക്കിയത് ഏഷ്യാനെറ്റ് ന്യൂസ് വാർത്തയാക്കിയിരുന്നു. രാത്രി 7 മണിയോടെയാണ് സംഭവം. കോരിച്ചൊരിയുന്ന മഴയിലേക്ക് കയ്യിൽ ഒരു കൈക്കോട്ടുമായി ജസ്റ്റിസ് തോട്ടത്തിൽ ബി രാധാകൃഷ്ണൻ ഇറങ്ങി. ട്രൗസറും ബനിയനുമിട്ട് ഒരു സാധാരണ തൊഴിലാളിയെ പോലെ. മഴവെള്ളം പോകുന്ന ഓടയ്ക്ക് മുകളിലെ സ്ലാബിൽ പുല്ലും ചെടിയും മൂടിയിരിക്കുന്നു. മഴവെള്ളം ഊർന്നിറങ്ങാൻ മറ്റു വഴിയില്ല. റോഡിൽ വെള്ളക്കെട്ടുണ്ടാകും. എല്ലാ വർഷവും നഗരസഭയാണ് ഓട വൃത്തിയാക്കുന്നത്, ഇവിടുത്തെ പുല്ലും ചെടിയും നീക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ ഇത്തവണ അതുണ്ടായില്ല. കയ്യും കെട്ടി നോക്കി നിൽക്കാൻ ജസ്റ്റിസ് തോട്ടത്തിൽ ബി രാധാകൃഷ്ണന് കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല. ഹൈക്കോടതി ജഡ്ജി എന്ന വലിയ പദവിയെക്കുറിച്ച് ചിന്തിച്ചതുമില്ല. സമൂഹത്തിന് മാതൃകയാകാൻ സ്വയം തുനിഞ്ഞിറങ്ങി. കോരിച്ചൊരിയുന്ന മഴയിൽ ഏതാണ്ട് 1.5 മണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ടാണ് ഓടയും പരിസരവും വൃത്തിയാക്കിയത്.
ഓരോ വ്യക്തിക്കും, ഓരോ സിറ്റിസൺ, ഓരോ പൗരനും അവനിൽ നിക്ഷിപ്തമായിരിക്കുന്ന ചില മൗലികമായിട്ടുള്ള കടമകളുണ്ട്. കണ്ണു തുറക്കുക, കാണുക, വേണ്ടുന്നത് ചെയ്തു കൊടുക്കുക. ഇതാണ് യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ ആവശ്യം.
He also patronized and mentored the environmental community policing initiative Punyam Pungavanam project, launched in Shabarimala to promote conscious and responsible pilgrimage by reviving and conserving the holy river Pamba.
പമ്പയെ മലിനമാക്കാതെ സൂക്ഷിക്കേണ്ടത് ഓരോ ഭക്തന്റെയും കടമയാണെന്ന് ജസ്റ്റിസ് തോട്ടത്തിൽ ബി രാധാകൃഷ്ണൻ.
പൊല്യൂഷൻ കൺട്രോൾ ബോർഡിൻ്റെ കൺട്രോൾ അനുസരിച്ച്, അവരുടെ നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളനുസരിച്ച് STP മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റിൽ ഹൈ പവർ കമ്മിറ്റി ഉൾപ്പെട്ട് അത് ചെയ്തു വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും വിദൂരമല്ലാത്ത ഭാവിയിൽ ഒരു നല്ല ടോട്ടൽ മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് സംഭവിക്കുമെന്നാണ് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നത്.
His critical intervention in Sundarbans, restraining human intervention-driven illegal activities, saved Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, Tiger Reserve and adjoining projects. On April 3, 2023, Justice Thottathil B Radhakrishnan passed away, leaving behind a legacy of significant contributions to the Indian judiciary, legal education, and public service. He is to be remembered as a prolific speaker, compassionate human being, man of strong convictions, bold judge with a strong civic sense, and an avowed environmental conservationist with balanced perception.
നിയമസാക്ഷരതയിലൂടെ നീതിബോധം വളരുമ്പോൾ സമൂഹത്തിന് ഉതകുന്ന ഒരു വലിയ ജനതയെ വാർത്തെടുക്കുവാൻ സാധിക്കും. അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ജനതയുള്ള രാജ്യത്ത് പ്രകൃതിക്കും മനുഷ്യനും ഒരു ഭീഷണിയുമില്ലാതെ സമൂലമായി നിലനിൽക്കുവാനും മുമ്പോട്ട് പോകുവാനും സാധിക്കും.
St. Dominic's College of Law. A Generation Next institution.